guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a very late Tuesdays in the Attic, where when I say we, I mean me and Jen, Kay's mom here on YouTube, are going through the archives, and that's why it's called Tuesdays in the Attic. It's using up some old, or going into the archives and digging through all those good bits, you know, that are hiding in the attic that nobody's using right now. And so we're going into the archives of the scrap room and grabbing out the Freaky Fast formulas from way from the beginning. We started this year using the ones from the very, very beginning of the scrap room when they started using them. It's now a monthly challenge. It used to be kind of every once in a while challenge on the blog, and then it became more often for a little while before they got the Facebook group, and then now it's a monthly challenge. And seriously, it's one of my favorite ways to get some pages done because they're Freaky Fast formulas for a reason. They're quick. So I have grabbed out this wood grain, which is kind of like a, what is this called? Like a teak wood, whatever, and some white cardstock because the collection I'm using, I already did my cuts too. I already did my cuts on a lot of them because I had a retreat to go to, and it was something I could do to help make my time more manageable on getting some things done. And clearly I still haven't gotten this one done on time for you, but you know, such is life. I had some scraps left, literal scraps of Jen Hadfield's Stardust. So I have this branding strip we could use. We'll see if we use it. I might. So I had some scraps left from this collection that I wanted to use because today's cuts are very simple, kind of like some of the grid ones we've had. You just have to do 6 2x6 pieces of paper. So I was like, done. We can handle that. So I already got my photo. And if you are familiar with this collection, there was a paper that had all these tags on it. So I took 3 that I really, really liked, and that's the only paper I ended up having left over, and then I shared it at the retreat with some other people. So I did that. So my title's going to be This Life Truly Magic. And I'm going to make sure I get some twine and punch those out. I just have a photo of my son with his sunglasses just kind of making a funny face. It's kind of just a random photo. But I've got 6 2x6 pieces of paper, except for this one's not. We're going to cheat a little, and I'm going to cut it and make it look like 2x6. But I thought this would be a fun one to do vertical strips, if I can. I'm liking this. I feel like I need something on the top and bottom though, because I don't like, I do need some more color though, don't you think? So we could do some packaging technique maybe. All right, Ava asked for another shout out, so Ava, here's your shout out, girl. I off camera did just some packaging technique with fossilized amber. More of a richer yellow. Glued this down, added so it says This Life is Truly Magic. Grabbed some Elle Studio goodies and some random things I have in my use up box of just leftovers. So these are some Elle Studio clear stickers that kind of went. These are stickers from Elle Studio. This is just a pocket card I had. This is actually part of a cutout frame that I had. I'm going to write the date of my photo, which I just realized I threw it away thinking it was something else. But yeah, just kind of talked a few things so it had a little bit more life to it. And then I think I'm going to journal a nice little message to James down here. This was the Freaky Fast formula that Jen and I worked on this week that I'm getting up late for you guys. So, I thought about grabbing some sequins maybe. I think I'm going to add some sequins and, like I said, journaling. And that should be it. Let's do some lines here for my journaling so it can be nice and straight. But on some of these pages that don't have that I don't either remember a story or I know I can just tell that they were just one of the many times I decided to take a photo of my son, because that's what you do as a mom. You just take lots of photos and hope that you can preserve the memories of how cute and adorable and little they were. And it makes you very sad to see them grow up, and then you miss that kid, but you still have your own kid who has a lot of other, you still have the kid in front of you, the actual kid, but you miss that stage, but you get to experience all these other fun, great things that are happening in the new stages. It's just, sometimes you wish you could go back to that stage, because, man, it tugs on my heartstrings. Anywho, okay, I'm gonna write my message, I'm gonna find some sequins, and then you guys will have some close-ups, and that'll be at that. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.